Hey guys, welcome to my first ever video on this channel. Now I am super pumped to bring you guys amazing videos like this that'll help you change your life forever if you stick to these tips and methods I'm going to give you. Now I'll get straight to the point for what you can expect from this channel and me. My name is Jack and my goal is to help all of you become better men and help you improve as a person. You can expect self-improvement videos from me, and most importantly, ways you can start becoming a better person in each area of your life. I must warn you though, that if you are not self-disciplined enough to stick to these methods, it's highly unlikely that you'll see any improvements in any area of your life. All of my videos will be done in this format, an explanation video. If you have any tips for me on how I can improve this channel and as a person, make sure to tell me in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to this channel since I'll be uploading weekly. That's all I have time for. I hope to see you in the next video, and make sure you break them goddamn chains.